The actual battery pack is on the inside right here. And it's not very heavy. I mean, it feels like about the weight of an iPhone maybe. So the jacket actually comes in this cool little bag here. It says live without limits. You can just unzip it here. It has the battery pack in a separate box. This is the battery pack here. It's charging. It shows the little status bar there with the dots. This is the plug-in here at the top where you'll actually plug it into the jacket, and that's the power adapter here. So this is the jacket after it came out of the box, or I should say the bag here. It's got the side pocket here, which is covered by a little rubber protectant on the top, which is kind of neat. It's a fairly deep pocket there, and this is the actual tag there that will heat up the jacket. It's got a hood. It's got a little desiccant here inside this pocket, but the pockets are pretty deep. In the inside, this is what that looks like. It's kind of it's comfortable. It's like almost like a mesh silver type inside. So I'm not sure if that's to kind of help with the heating element, but that's just what it looks like here. In this inside pocket, I'll show you that later, and that's what actually will hold the battery pack. And there's a cord that plugs into the battery pack. So this is an extra large. I kind of showed you how it was coming out of the box. The fit is perfect on me. This is an extra large. Comes to about right here. And so the main part of this is, if you can see right here, you hold that down for 3 to 5 seconds. All right, and see how it's flashing red? That means it's heating up. It says it usually takes about 5 minutes to heat up. And then once it stops flashing, that means it's heated up all the way. It should stop on a white light. That means medium heat. I do feel heat. I kind of feel it on my chest and back right now, and on the arms as well. I wasn't expecting that. So while it's heating up, I'll go over the heat settings with you. The low setting is 86 degrees. Medium, that's the default, is white. That's going to be 113. And then high is red. That's going to be 130. And then preheat, that's when it's blinking red. Obviously, you wouldn't want to wash this jacket because it's got electrical parts in it. And the front pockets don't have anything in them. The front pockets are free of this. Again, the actual battery pack is on the inside right here. And it's not very heavy. I mean, it feels like about the weight of an iPhone maybe. Maybe feel like you have an iPhone in your pocket. So it's still blinking, it looks like. You have a pocket here as well on the front. And that's pretty deep. Look how far my whole hand goes in. You can kind of see it goes all the way down to here. So it's a large pocket here. And then they've got the Velcro on the sleeves here. So you can tighten the sleeves up if you say you're in snow or something like that. I don't mind them kind of loose, so I'll put them back like that. They've got the hood as well on this. So you can put the hood on. I don't feel any heat in the hood yet, but you can cinch it up. They've got the elastic with the tighteners kind of on the side here. I'll do the other side. If you zip this all the way up, it looks like that. So I actually feel it. Ooh, it's getting hot, actually. Yeah, I can feel it right here. I can feel a lot of heat right here. I can feel some heat on my shoulders. I can feel the heat there. And if you feel the outside of it, you can actually feel the warmth too. The most heat I actually feel is right here. I think there's a heating element that goes right across the whole back here. And that's the part that heated up first, I actually feel. So it's actually getting pretty warm right now. And this is not even heated up all the way. So it's still heating up. I'm gonna give it a minute to heat all the way up, and then I'll kind of let you know how it is. It's on the medium setting. That's the white setting here. So if I were to press it, yeah, it's on white. So if I were to press that, let's see, once, that's blue. So blue is gonna be the low setting. So I guess it would kind of cool off. I'll give it a second or two. Kind of actually instantaneously, when I pressed the blue, I felt it like within a few seconds that it got a little bit cooler. So I almost wonder if it like shut off heat to some of the heating elements and it'll just restart back up. But it was like almost instantaneous. It went to cool, a little bit cooler. So it's still warm. I guess it's saying it's going to be 86 degrees. And then if we press it one more time, that's going to go to, that's the high heat. So it'll go up to the highest heat setting. So let's try this out and see how it feels. While this is heating up on high, it does say it has a 12-month limited warranty on this. As well, the duration of the battery on medium, it says it's about 6 to 7 hours. On high mode, I think it'd be like 4 hours. So now it's on high heat and I can definitely feel it. All the heating elements are heated up. It almost feels like kind of like sauna-ish. I don't know how to explain. I don't really do saunas, but it definitely feels very warm. Like if I was in the snow and kind of hiking or something, I would have no issues because you've got heat on both sides here, across the back, on the shoulders. On the chest, it's not just here, it kind of goes down like that. So you're getting quite a bit of heat here. I'm not sure in these conditions, I would use the high mode. Probably if I was down near zero, maybe I would use the high mode or something. But I don't foresee using it at the moment. So to turn this off, you just hold it down for 5 seconds and it shuts off and you're good to go. Whew, and I'm burning up. I'm gonna get out of this thing. And again, the battery is down in this inside pocket and it's attached to this cord here. And you can see the battery power here is on 3 out of 4 bars. So we'll go ahead and charge this. But it says if you're not using it for a while, you can unhook this and just keep the battery out of it and just use the jacket if you need to. But you can also recharge this. And you can also use this as a charger for your phone, it's saying. So you can charge it up fully and then use it as a portable charger for your iPhone or whatever phone you have that takes a USB charger. I'm gonna go ahead and charge this, but I think this is pretty neat. I do like how it has the button over the zipper here on the top and the bottom. It definitely feels like good material, like a nice jacket. I've never had a heated jacket before, but I've seen them in Lowe's and Home Depot for about like $199, 200 bucks. Black Friday, it's maybe a little cheaper, $149, $150, but this one's quite a bit cheaper than both of those. And again, this is Venustas, and I'm gonna put a link, an Amazon link in the description. So go ahead and check it out and go ahead and leave a like on this video if you like this kind of content. And check out this next video. Thanks guys.